Welcome to the new video. Our topic is egg on-off switch animation. This code creates an interactive on-off toggle button styled as an egg. Let's break down the HTML and CSS components. The HTML structure consists of a label element with the class egg switch. Inside the label, there's an input element of type checkbox, which is initially checked. Within the label, there's a nested div element containing two child elements, flipper and egg. The flipper div contains an SVG icon used to simulate the flipping motion. The egg div represents the egg-shaped button and contains two child elements, front and back, which simulate the appearance of a cracked egg. Additional styles. Box sizing is set to border box globally for better layout control. Body styling includes setting a minimum height, centering content, and providing a background color. Social media icons, Dribble and Twitter, are positioned fixed at the bottom right corner of the page. CSS have various custom properties. Variables are defined to specify colors and other style attributes used throughout the CSS. The egg switch class contains styling for the toggle button and its animation effects. Animation keyframes are defined to create the motion of cracking the egg, flipping the eggshell, and moving the flipper. Keyframe animations are also used to change the appearance of the eggshell during the cracking process. The checked pseudo-class is used to trigger animation effects when the checkbox is checked. Overall, this code creates an engaging and interactive toggle button that resembles an egg. When the user clicks on the egg, it cracks open, revealing a cracked eggshell. The flipper icon also moves as if it's flipping the eggshell. The code demonstrates creative use of CSS animations and pseudo-classes to achieve the desired interactive effect. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.